Hello and welcome to BTC Profit Network video presentation. In this video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay number 1, ano ang Bitcoin, who's behind Bitcoin, ano ang BTC Profit Network, and paano kakikita ng Bitcoin through BTC Profit Network. So ano nga bang Bitcoins? Ang Bitcoins ay ang pinakaunang decentralized digital currency wherein pwede mo siyang magamit worldwide. It also offers peer-to-peer fund transfer sa kahit kanino basta meron silang Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoin is a virtual currency kung saan pwede mo ipalit sa mga fiat currency katulad ng dollars, pound, yen, euro, peso, and other existing currencies. Ang Bitcoin ay sinimulan noong 2009 by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. Ang price ng Bitcoin noong 2010 is only 7 cents US dollar or 3.34 pesos only per 1 Bitcoin. Ang price ng Bitcoin ay patuloy na tumaas. At noong November 25, 2013, umabot ng 979 US dollar or 46,000 pesos ang value ng isang Bitcoin. Ang total value na pwedeng i-mine or ma-produce is only 21 million Bitcoins. As of now, more than 15 million Bitcoins na ang existing simula noong 2009 at 6 million Bitcoins na lang ang natitira. Ang price ng Bitcoin ay patuloy na tataas simply because of economics, the law of supply and demand. If ang supply is only 21 million at 6 million na lang ang pwedeng i-mine or ma-produce, tataas ang demand at dahil konti ang supply, ang value ng Bitcoin ay tataas. Now, ito yung mga kilalang tao na naniwala na sa kakayahan ng Bitcoin bilang digital mode of payment of the future.
Bitcoin is better than currency.
There's a big industry around Bitcoin, and people have made fortunes out of Bitcoin.
The technical answer on Bitcoins is that Bitcoins is a remarkable cryptographic achievement.
It is a huge deal. It's a huge, huge, huge deal.
If people have got lots of Bitcoins and they want to go to space, I'd much rather they spent that money on our spaceship.
I mean, I personally, I own Bitcoin in my hedge fund. I own Bitcoin in my fund. I own Bitcoin in my...
Marami na ring sikat at kilalang company ang naniwala at tumatanggap ng Bitcoin like Visa, Dish, Citibank, Dell, Expedia, New York Stock Exchange, PayPal, Nasdaq, Virgin Galactic at marami pa. Dito sa Pilipinas, meron na rin tayong first Bitcoin ATM na makikita sa Summit Tower Hotel, Manila Lobby, Durban Street, Makati Avenue, Makati, Philippines. Meron ring coins.ph na website wherein pwede kang mag-buy and sell ng Bitcoins, magbayad ng bills, mag-send ng remittances, bumili ng load ng kahit anong network, mag-shopping online, mag-book ng hotel, travels, and games. Now, eto yung ilan sa mga success stories ng Bitcoins. Meron isang lalaki na pinalit niya yung 10,000 Bitcoins niya for 2 Papa John's Pizza noong May 22, 2010. Ang value ng Bitcoin niya that time is around $25 lang. Ngayon, kung i-base natin sa current exchange rate, ang value na ng Bitcoin niya is $2.3 million. Next is yung 15 years old na pinalit niya yung 1,000 US dollars niya sa Bitcoins. After 1 year, yung value ng Bitcoin na hawak niya is nasa 100,000 US dollars na. Ang sabi niya nga, I have no doubt it will be a huge than anyone can imagine right now. Bitcoin is like the internet in the 90s. And lastly, merong isang lalaki na nakatira sa Norway na bumili ng Bitcoins way back 2009 worth $27 only. Ang nakakabaliw dito, nakalimutan niya na meron siyang Bitcoins. So, nung binalikan niya yung Bitcoins niya, from $27, naging 886,000 US dollars na. Dati, kulang pa yung kinikita niya pang rent ng apartment. Ngayon, because of Bitcoins, nakabili na siya ng sarili niyang apartment. So, ngayon nakita na natin ang kagandahan at importance ng Bitcoins. Ang tanong, paano naman tayo magkakaroon ng Bitcoins? At ano-ano yung mga way para magkaroon ng Bitcoins? First is through Bitcoin mining. Now, ano ba yung Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of adding transaction records to Bitcoin's public ledger of past transaction or blockchain. This ledger of past transactions is called the blockchain as it is a chain of blocks. The blockchain serves to confirm transaction to the rest of the network as having taken place. So, para makapag-mine pala tayo ng Bitcoins, kailangan mong bumili ng mga supercomputers para magamit mo sa pag-mine ng Bitcoins. So, gagastos ka ng halos millions of dollars na halaga ng computers para lang makapag-mine ka ng Bitcoins. Of course, kasama na syempre dyan yung gastos sa kuryente kasi kailangan natin dito ng major firepower at super fast internet connection para ma-increase natin yung speed and transaction ng supercomputer. Ang masaklap dito, hindi to advisable sa Pilipinas kasi alam naman natin na isa tayo sa may pinakamabagal na internet connection at pinakamahal na kuryente sa Asia. Okay, so next is through Bitcoin online faucets. Dahil mataas na ang price ng mga mining computers ngayon, marami na naglabas ang mga Bitcoin online faucets wherein pwede kang magkaroon ng Bitcoins for free by simply doing tasks like reading books, playing games, form feelings, and many more. Yun nga lang, it will eat almost all of your time. Kapalit lang ng kakaunting Bitcoins. Baka 1 year na, hindi pa umabot ng 1 Bitcoins yung naipon mo. And third is through Bitcoin leverage. Dito, by simply leveraging other people's or companies' effort, you will earn more Bitcoins with less to no effort. So welcome to BTC Profit Network, the world's first Bitcoin program designed to make you a billionaire. So what is BTC Profit Network? BTC Profit Network is an online Bitcoin program designed in helping to educate, provide services, secure, protect, and ultimately profit from the cryptocurrency market. Nag-start ang BTC Profit Network noong October 8, 2015. Ang headquarter is in Belize City, Central America. Engaged in Bitcoin cloud mining and trading with more than 3,000 Bitcoins already paid out sa mga members. Kung i-convert mo siya sa peso ngayon, nasa 90 million pesos na ang naipi-pay out nito sa mga members. And this is the best and 100% real and legitimate Bitcoin program today. So, eto naman yung Certificate of Incorporation ni BTC Profit Network sa Belize City, Central America. Now, these are the ways to earn Bitcoins sa BTC Profit Network. Number 1 is through Bitcoin Cloud Mining Profit Sharing. You will earn 50% profit sharing monthly and lifetime. Number 2 is through 2x3 Global Autofill Matrix Program. So, we have 15 tables to finish via Global Autofill. And total earnings pag natapos mo lahat is 115,440.938 Bitcoins or 3.4 billion pesos. Third is the Leadership Rewards Program kung saan kikita ka ng Bitcoin from first level up to 10 level deep ng organization mo. Now, what is BTC Profit Network Cloud Mining? Cloud mining or cloud hashing enables user to purchase mining capacity that of hardware in data center. Bitcoin mining enables people to earn Bitcoins without mining hardware, Bitcoin mining software, electricity, bandwidth, and other offline issues. Now, ano naman yung advantage ng Bitcoin cloud mining? Bakit mas maganda siya kaysa sa normal Bitcoin mining? Number 1, because no excess heat to deal with kasi wala nga namang physical computers. Quiet because of no constant humming fans. No electricity cost. Hindi mo na rin kailangan magbayad ng kuryente. No Bitcoin mining equipment to sell when Bitcoin mining is no longer profitable. No ventilation problem with hot equipment. No pre-ordered Bitcoin mining hardware that may not be delivered on time by the Bitcoin mining equipment supplier. And last, you can start your Bitcoin mining business with small capital to earn more Bitcoins kahit nasaan ka pa sa mundo, as long as may internet connection ka na na-access mo yung account mo. Now, paano ka kikita ng passive monthly income sa cloud mining ng BTC Profit Network? So, it worked like this. First, bibili ka muna ng activation code para maging eligible ka sa 50% monthly profit sharing ng BTC Profit Network sa cloud mining. So, we have 7 different packages. Pwede kang mag-start for as low as 0.2 Bitcoins for 1 account, 0.06 Bitcoins for 3 accounts, 0.14 Bitcoins for 7 accounts, 0.3 Bitcoins for 15 accounts, 0.62 Bitcoin for 31 accounts, 1.26 Bitcoins for 63 accounts, and 2.54 Bitcoins for 127 accounts. So lahat ng packages dito sa BTC Profit Network are one-time payment only. Meaning, isang beses ka lang bibili ng account and lifetime ka nakikita kahit wala kang ginagawa. Now, once you have account with BTC Profit Network, entitled ka na makareceive ng monthly profit sharing and lifetime. So, there's no sponsoring required to earn cloud mining pools payout. So, kahit wala kang referral dito, kikita ka pa rin ng monthly and lifetime. Now, 50% ng kita ni BTC Profit Network sa cloud mining ay distributed equally sa lahat ng members. So, for example, kumita ng 1,000 Bitcoins ngayong month si BTC Profit Network sa cloud mining, 50% which is 500 Bitcoins will be distributed equally sa lahat ng members. Every end of the month ang pasok ng profit sharing natin sa account natin. So, dito sa monthly profit sharing, para kumita ka ng malaki, dapat marami kang active account. But, there's no guarantee of any profits from mining or promise a set of ROI. And you should know that Bitcoin can be volatile, so please only join if you are okay with the potential market risk. Now, how much is our potential monthly profit sharing per account sa BTC Profit Network? Our potential monthly profit sharing per account is up to 0.0013 Bitcoins, or in Philippine peso, nasa 400 pesos siya per account per month lifetime. So just imagine if you have 127 accounts, times natin ng 400 pesos, that's 50,800 pesos monthly. So in just 2 months time, bawi mo na kaagad yung capital investment mo. At kikita ka pa ng another 50,800 monthly nang walang ginagawa. Ang kagandahan dito, one time ka lang nagbayad pero lifetime yung income mo sa BTC Profit Network. Now take note, matatanggap natin yung profit sharing natin every end of the month. Next is the 2x3 autofill matrix. So once na meron ka ng account sa cloud mining, magkakaroon ka rin ng account sa 2x3 autofill matrix. So ano ang advantage ng BTC Profit Network 2x3 autofill matrix program sa ibang matrix program? Number 1 is no sponsoring requirements to cycle and earn in this program. Not unlike sa ibang program na 2x3 matrix, kailangan mong meron kang 2 direct referrals para makuha mo yung exit rewards mo. Dito, hindi mo na kailangan yun. Next is auto spill from the sponsor. Pwede mapuno yung table mo nang wala kang ginagawa and still earn exit rewards. Next is hindi nag-i-split yung table and no table waiting. Meaning, hindi mo na kailangan pang antayin na mapuno or matapos yung table ng sponsor mo bago ka pa makapaglagay ng mga referrals mo sa table mo. Sa BTC Profit Network, iba. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong table. Kung sino yung mas masipag, siya yung maunang mapuno yung table niya at maunang kumita ng Bitcoins. Next is fast cycling 2x3 matrix, meaning 15 slot kada table at kung mas masipag ka, mas mauna ka matapos sa iba. Next is daily payout, meaning pag natapos mo in one day yung 2x3 table mo, marireceive mo kagad yung rewards mo. Automatic and pwede mo na siya kagad i-withdraw. Ganun siya kabilis. Big commission because every time na umi-exit yung account mo sa kada table, palaki ng palaki yung nakukuha mong rewards. And welcome international since this is an online program. So, ang market natin buong mundo. Another one is state-of-the-art software for complete automation. Kasi, ang only requirements lang ni BTC Profit Network is to finish our table number 1. And yung table number 2 natin and the rest is global autofill na. Meaning, leverage na tayo. Not unlike any other programs na alam natin, ang tagal bago tayo mag-leverage. Billions na yung downline natin, hindi pa rin tayo leverage. Sa BTC Profit Network, matapos mo lang yung table number 1 mo, ang gagawin mo na lang is magantay na matapos yung account mo sa mga next table. Okay? So, automatic re-entries. So, you will cycle over and over again. Kasi, we have 15 tables. Once na umexit ka sa table number 1, e-exit na automatic yung account mo sa table 2 to 15 nang wala kang ginagawa. Hindi to katulad ng kung sino lang yung kasama mo sa table number 1, yun lang yung susunod sa'yo sa table number 2 and so on. Kaya kapag hindi na sila umexit sa table number 1, hindi ka na rin i-exit sa table number 2. Ang kagandahan sa BTC Profit Network, automatic na e-exit yung account mo sa table number 2 kahit hindi na umexit yung mga account na mga kasama mo sa table number 1. So, how our 2x3 system works? Once na nag-join ka sa BTC Profit Network, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong 2x3 table matrix. So, pwede mo siyang mapuno through direct referral or through spillover. Ayos lang. Basta, ang pinaka-goal mo dito is matapos mo lang yung table number 1 mo kasi yan lang yung requirements ng company para kumita ka ng up to 115,440 Bitcoins pag natapos mo lahat ng 2x3 table matrix. So, once na natapos mo yung first table mo, makaka-receive ka ng Bitcoin rewards. And yung account mo will move to the next table, which is table number 2, kung saan wala na tayong control kasi global autofill na siya. Hindi na natin kailangan pang mag-repair o mag-invite ng tao para mapuno yung table 2 natin. All we need to do is to wait na matapos siya via global autofill. So, how BTC Profit Network Global Autofill works? All members around the globe na natatapos sa table number 1 ay automatic na papasok sa table number 2. So, hindi mo na nga mga kagrupo or kakilala yung mga makakasama mo at makakapuno ng table 2 mo. Meaning, no choice ka na hindi mapuno yung table 2 mo at kumita ng additional Bitcoin rewards. So, pag natapos mo yung table 2 mo, papasok ka na naman sa table 3 na autofill na naman. Imagine, eto yung tunay na leverage because kikita ka literal ng walang ginagawa. So, eto naman yung Bitcoin rewards na makukuha mo every time na matatapos yung table mo. So, table number 1 is 0.028 Bitcoins or 1,400 pesos. Take note, nagdedepende ang resulta mo sa palitan ng Bitcoins to pesos. In this example, ang ginamit namin is 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to 50,000 pesos. So, table number 2 is 0.11 Bitcoins or 5,500 pesos. Table 3 is 0.3 Bitcoins or 15,000 pesos. Table 4 is 5.5 Bitcoins or 275,000 pesos. Table 5 is 10 Bitcoins or 500,000 pesos. Table 6 is 25 Bitcoins or 1,250,000 pesos. Table 7 is 50 Bitcoins or 2.5 million pesos. Table 8 is 100 Bitcoins or 5 million pesos. Table 9 is 250 Bitcoins or 12.5 million pesos. Table 10 is 1,000 Bitcoins or 50 million pesos. Table 11 is 2,000 Bitcoins or 100 million pesos. Table 12 is 6,000 Bitcoins or 300 million pesos. Table 13 is 15,000 Bitcoins or 750 million pesos. Table 14 is 25,000 Bitcoins or 1.2 billion pesos. Table 15 is 66,000 Bitcoins or 3.3 billion pesos. Ang total na earnings sa 15 tables is 115,440.938 Bitcoins or 5.7 billion pesos. Kaya tinawag ang BTC Profit Network na the world first Bitcoin program designed to make you a billionaire. Sa laki ba naman ng pwede mong kitain pag natapos mo lahat ng table mo? Worst case scenario, hindi mabilis yung pagtapos ng kada table mo. What if every 2 months umi-exit or natatapos yung table mo? So, 15 tables times 2 months is equal to 30 months or 2 years and 6 months bago matapos yung table 15 mo. Take note, some of the BTC Profit Network members completed every table, every month, katulad ng top earner natin dito sa Pilipinas. Monthly natatapos yung top account niya. Nag-start lang siya last December 2015. Now, after 8 months, nasa table 8 na siya. Now, ito yung chart based sa 2 months exit sa kada table. So, first 2 months mo, medyo mabagal mo natapos yung table 1 mo at inabot ka ng 2 months. Ang kita mo is only 1,400 pesos. Maliit kung ito lang yung source of income mo. But remember, this is only a bonus program since ang main program ni BTC Profit Network is cloud mining profit sharing. Second table mo natapos ng 4 months via Global Autofill. Meron kang additional 5,500 pesos. Not bad, kumita ka nang wala kang ginagawa. 6 months natapos table 3 mo. 0.3 Bitcoins yung reward mo, which is 15,000 pesos. Kung ang palitan is nasa 50,000 kada isang Bitcoin. Pagdating ng 8 months, natapos yung table 4 mo. Dito sa table 4 exit, biglang laki ng income mo. Papalo ka agad ng 275,000 pesos yung rewards mo nang wala kang effort. Ang ginawa mo lang is nagantay. 10 months, 10 Bitcoins or 500,000 pesos. Hindi na masama. 1 year, 25 Bitcoins or 1.2 million pesos. Pwede ka nang bumili ng brand new car. 1 year and 2 months, 2.5 million pesos. Pwede ka nang bumili ng brand new house and lot. Imagine, 1 year pa lang yan. At take note, wala kang ginagawa pero kumikita ka pa rin. Hindi pa kasama dito yung profit sharing monthly. Next 2 months, another 5 million pesos. Worth to wait ba? 1 year and 4 months pwede kang bumili ng sports car. Another 2 months, 12.5 million. Another 2 months, 50 million. Another 2 months, 100 million. Another 2 months, 300 million. Another 2 months, 750 million. Another 2 months, 1.2 billion. Another 2 months, 3.3 billion pesos. Can you imagine this program na ganyang kalaki pala yung nag-aantay sa'yo na pwede mong kitain? All you need to do is finish your table number 1. Now, what if hindi siya 2 years and 6 months? What if abutin siya ng 3 years? Or 4 years? Or 5 years? Or maybe 10 years? Sa akin okay lang. Bakit? Wala namang company sa labas na magbibigay sa'yo ng ganyang kalaking rewards in 10 years time na wala kang ginagawa. Tama ba? Pero sa BTC Profit Network, tapusin mo lang yung table number 1 mo, yan na yung income na nag-aantay sa'yo. Huwag ka nga lang maiinip. Kaya nga karamihan ng sumasali sa grupo namin, ang kinukuha is 15 accounts pataas para tapos na yung table 1 kaagad nila and nakapila na sila sa table 2. Kung 1 account lang yung inaantay mo, lugi ka sa nag-aantay ng 15 accounts kasi times 15 kaagad yung kita nila sa'yo. Pero pareho lang yung time frame. At the same time, meron pa silang 50,000 pesos monthly profit sharing. Now, third way to earn sa BTC Profit Network is Leadership Rewards Program. So, the BTC Profit Network Leadership Program conditions are arranged in such a way that each leader can achieve financial independence, as well as the reward system give extra motivation to help other customers increase their income levels. So every time someone from your personal sponsored group completed their 2x3 matrix system in table number 1, you will receive a leadership rewards from level 1 to level 10 in your organization. Every time na may nakakatapos sa table 1 sa grupo mo from first level to 10 level, meron kang kikitain. Now, ito yung kikitain mo sa Leadership Rewards Program sa kada level. Level 1 is 0.0017 Bitcoins. Level 2 is 0.0015 Bitcoins. Level 3 is 0.0013 Bitcoins. Level 4 is 0.0011 Bitcoins. Level 5 is 0.009 Bitcoins. Level 7 is 0.0007 Bitcoins up to 10 level. Now, ito yung potential income mo sa Leadership Rewards Program kada level if you use the power of 10. Level 1 is 10 people times 0.0017 Bitcoins equals 0.017 Bitcoins. Level 2, 100 people times 0.0015 Bitcoins equals 0.015 Bitcoins. Level 3, 1,000 people times 0.0013 Bitcoins equals 1.3 Bitcoins. Level 4, 10,000 people times 0.0011 Bitcoins equals 11 Bitcoins. 100,000 people times 0.0009 Bitcoins equals 90 Bitcoins up to 10 level. So eto, additional income mo na lang bukod sa profit sharing and 2x3 matrix program. So how to join BTC Profit Network? First, you need to select your desired code package. Ang kagandahan dito, you can start for as low as 0.02 Bitcoins or around 1,000 pesos for one account, and as much as 2.54 Bitcoins or 127,000 pesos for 127 accounts. So ito yung mga packages sa BTC Profit Network na pwede mong pagpilian. First is starter package. 0.02 Bitcoins or 1,000 pesos, one time only. One activation code, one active profit sharing account. Potential profit sharing income up to 0.013 Bitcoin per month. Basic package, 0.6 Bitcoins or 3,000 pesos, one time only. 3 activation codes, 3 active profit sharing accounts. Potential profit sharing income up to 0.039 Bitcoins per month. Premium account, 0.14 Bitcoins or 7,000 pesos, one time only. 7 activation codes, 7 active profit sharing accounts. Potential profit sharing up to 0.091 Bitcoins per month. Ultimate account, 0.3 Bitcoins or 15,000 pesos, one time only. 15 activation codes, 15 active profit sharing accounts, 1 account in table number 2. Potential profit sharing up to 0.195 Bitcoins per month. Ito yung pinipili ng karamihan kasi meron ka ng isang account kaagad sa table 2 na nakapila sa Global Autofill. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-invite or mag-sponsor para mapuno mo pa yung table mo at kumita sa 2x3 Global Autofill Matrix. Next is Elite. 0.62 bitcoins or 31,000 pesos, one time only, 31 activation codes, 31 active profit sharing account, 3 accounts in table number 2, potential profit sharing up to 0.403 bitcoins per month. Next is gold, 1.26 bitcoins or 63,000 pesos, one time only, 63 activation codes, 63 active profit sharing accounts, 7 accounts in table number 2, potential profit sharing income up to 0.819 bitcoins per month. Last is diamond package, 2.54 bitcoins or 127,000 pesos, one time only, 127 activation codes, 127 active profit sharing accounts, 15 accounts in table number 2, potential profit sharing income up to 1.651 bitcoins per month. So once na nakapili ka na ng gusto mong code package, next na gagawin mo is mag-send ng payment directly to the company through Bitcoin. So kung wala ka pang Bitcoin, pwede kang mag-open muna ng account mo sa coins.ph. Then, pwede kang bumili ng Bitcoins sa 7-Eleven or through bank deposit. And once na meron ka ng Bitcoin, ang next na gagawin mo na lang is i-copy yung Bitcoin wallet address ng company para ma-send mo yung payment mo. Take note, after mo ma-send yung payment mo, kailangan mong makuha yung hash code or transaction link para ma-send mo sa email ng company. Kasi no hash code, no activation code policy ang BTC Profit Network. And payment verification may take within 24 hours. Depende kung anong oras mo na-send yung hash code sa email ng company. Kasi since nakabase sa Belize Central America yung company, iba yung time zone nila. So you just need to wait. Now, kung medyo nahihirapan ka sa ganitong process, you can contact us to buy activation code from us. Just send us a message in our Facebook page and we will assist you. So lastly, once na meron ka ng activation code, next na gagawin mo is balikan mo yung tao nag-introduce sa'yo ng BTC Profit Network para kunin yung registration link nila and para makapag-register ka na at makapag-start ka ng kumita ng maraming bitcoins katulad ng mga taong to.
Good morning! Ako nga pala si Brian Ang ng BTC Profit Network. Bali 4 years na ako nag-network marketing. Pero sa BTC Profit Network lang ako nagpaliw ng sobra. Bakit? Kasi ito yung the world's first Bitcoin program designed to make you a billionaire. At isa pa, ang kagandahan dito, within 2 months and a half, kumita na agad ako ng malaki. Okay? Dahil sa puhunan na 10,000 na napakalit na pinanghihinayan ng ibang tao na pwede kang kumita ng daang libo pataas, ito dapat ang panginayan mo. Ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang kinita ko within 2.5 months. Ito. Kumita ako ng 133,000 sa loob ng 2.5 buwan lang. Palangin ko na siya withdraw. At ito, nag-video ako para ipakita sa inyo na totoo ang BTC Profit Network. Tara, bilangin natin siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 40,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 60,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 70,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 80,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 90,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 100,000 na po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 120,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 130,000. 1, 2, 3. 130,000. 130,000 po. Bali yan po lahat ng kinita ko. Siguro naman po maniniwala na kayo. Sa mga lahat po nang hindi naniniwala, sorry na lang po. Pero sa lahat po na maniniwala, handa po kami tulungan kayo. May team po kami na pwede tumulong sa inyo. Yun lang po. God bless po sa lahat.
Hi guys, ito ako, binisita ko si Rich King. Grabe, brand new Land Cruiser.
Ayaw kasi nila maniwala. Ayaw kasi nila maniwala. Ay, wala raw. Hindi raw totoo, bro.
Oh, videoan mo nga bro, videoan mo. Bukos na ako ng Land Cruiser bro. Videoan mo, tutok mo bro. Ayun o. Land Cruiser, tangin, lupit.
Grabe, di ba guys? O, bagong-bago. Power, di ba? Ano masasabi mo kay Dick?
Talaga, sa video namin.
Wala pa pong isang taon. Land Cruiser. Hindi na siguro masama para sa 23 years old. Okay po ba? Eh, ganyan po tayo din sa BTC Profit Network. Next month po, si Kevin naman po yung maglalabas. Ano yung lalabas ng Kevin next month? Dancer GTA naman si Kevin. Abangan nyo po next month. Ha? Maraming pong salamat. Kaya kung ikaw pinanonood mo tong video na to ngayon, sumabay ka na, nagsisimula pa lang po kami. Maraming salamat. Rich King, BTC Profit Network, top earner.
Hello, we are Enifa and Alex.
Yeah, finally we discovered a program where we can invest our bitcoins without any risk. We are proud for being a part of BTC Profit Network.
It is a really amazing experience to see our monthly profit and earn more Bitcoin in 2 or 3 global autofill metrics with leadership rewards.
Yeah, BTCProfitNetwork.com is the best Bitcoin online program to earn more Bitcoins and have a financial freedom. Join us now.
Hi, my name is Carl. I want you to know that I'm very satisfied from the profit I get monthly from BTCProfitNetwork.com. I pray and wish the very best for the company, admins, and all the members of BTC Profit Network. So, if you want to earn more Bitcoins, you should join BTCProfitNetwork.com today.
Hello investors, my name is Melissa. It's much better to invest your Bitcoins in BTC Profit Network and earn a huge 50% monthly profit. I am so happy to see my Bitcoins grow, and also it's refreshing to work with their professional, hardworking, and honest admins. That's why I recommend this Bitcoin program to all. Join us now in BTCProfitNetwork.com.
Hi, my name is Diana. BTC Profit Network is the door of high profitable Bitcoin opportunity online. BTC Profit Network is completely secure and the team are really professional. Payouts are instant and profits are huge. I recommend to everyone to join BTC Profit Network today if you want to achieve financial freedom. So join us now and start earning more Bitcoins at BTCProfitNetwork.com.
Hi there, I'm Emma and I've been using BTCProfitNetwork.com for a little while now, and it's been a really great way for me to earn a passive income online. In fact, I think it's the best way to use your Bitcoins to make a profit online. It's been really fast, reliable, it's pretty solid, so I would definitely recommend it. You should come join us at BTCProfitNetwork.com.
Hi, my name is John. Thanks BTC Profit Network, I have earned more than 15 Bitcoin in just 5 months time. And when I joined this, it took me hard to find people to join me. They are telling me that it's a scam. Good thing I did not listen. I told myself that 0.3 Bitcoin won't make me broke. So I risked and proved them wrong. Join BTC Profit now and harvest more Bitcoin like us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Roger. I would like to say that if you're looking for an incredible income, then you should join BTC Profit Network. I received my profits from BTC Profit Network the same day after I invested 0.3 Bitcoins, and I'm now receiving monthly profit sharing without any fees. I'm very happy and I recommend everybody to join BTC Profit Network now.
Hi everyone, my name is Tina. BTC Profit Network has the greatest and highest profit program for everyone. It has the best level of security, so I don't have to worry about my Bitcoin investment anymore. Don't waste your time. Join now and start earning Bitcoins at btcprofitnetwork.com.
So again, para kumita ka at maging successful ka katulad nila sa BTC Profit Network, ito yung kailangan mong gawin. Of course, first, kailangan maging member ka muna ng BTC Profit Network kasi hindi ka kikita katulad nila kung hindi ka member. Next is, share your BTC Profit Network affiliate link sa iyong mga social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Then, find people na gusto ring kumita ng Bitcoin sa online nang walang ginagawa katulad mo. Then build your dream team, work together, help your people earn more Bitcoins, and in return, kikita ka rin ng mas maraming Bitcoins. So, timing is right now to join BTC Profit Network kasi almost lahat ng tao ngayon meron ng access sa internet at araw-araw ginagamit. Alam mo ba na nung unang nilabas ang internet, karamihan ng tao alam na yung internet pero takot silang gamitin. Until naging mainstream yung internet at maraming naging billionaire. Ganyan na ganyan ngayon yung BTC Profit Network. Just imagine kung nakasabay ka sa pag-boom ng internet before, baka ngayon bilyonaryo ka na rin kung sumuko ka. So, nag-start yung BTC Profit Network last October 8, 2015 lang. At eto na yung magiging next mainstream sa online. Kung makikita mo, hindi pa siya ganun ka-mainstream at ka-boom ngayon. That's why this is the best time to join kasi napakalaking opportunity nito pag na-miss mo tong chance na to ngayon. Kasi makikita mo na naman to in the next few days, months, or even years. And by that time, baka mainstream na tong program na to. So don't miss your chance. Join us right now and start earning more Bitcoins. Thank you for watching this video and God bless.